Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Honda, please help me subscribe to the channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys would be updated. Working on the 2021 Honda Insight 1.5, doing the oil change service right now. So you're going to remove the metal cover at the bottom here, and then you're going to take out the drain bolt right here. It's dirty. Oil filters right in the front. Go, let it drain out. So everything is completely drained out already. I wiped the spot, put a little bit of oil on the gasket, put in the new filter for the drain bolt, finger tighten, and then tighten it down. So this is snug, tight, and that's it. Now for this Honda, it takes 0-20. And it's a 1.5, so putting 0-20 synthetic, I'm gonna put in 4 and then check it. So I put in 4 quarts already. I'm gonna check the dipstick. Oh, it's right on the high mark, a little bit over the high mark, but the filter is gonna take it down a bit, so it'll be perfect on this mark. Right now I'm gonna reset the oil light. I'm gonna have key on, and then I'm gonna toggle through the menu using this button, the home button right here. So you're gonna go down to maintenance. There you go, enter. All due item right there. That's it, 100%. Boom. Turn it off, turn it back on. And that's it, guys. Just a oil change and oil reset for the Honda Insight. That is it for this video. If you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you have any question down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible, but I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.